will show you this. You can see that. That's awesome. I can do that at school because it's not having like this bed. Because did and how huge lagay dito.
Baka baboy yun.
Ano, pili mo ako lotion lang? Mercy. Awak kanta.
Ganyan. Naku, order pa tayo sa malayo niyan, Lola. Order pa tayo sa malayo.
This is such a fate to our life. This fate, this friend, two friends. If it was to be on
Ano, gusto mo palo o ano?
you want to
Gusto mo palo ni Lola?
be
Ganon. Gusto mo? Gusto mo palo ni Papa?
alone. It's be so lonely. Things be away. He got betrayed and now he's sad and so lonely. Sad and lonely, sad and lonely. To be your friend, to like and subscribe, to be your friend. I was lagay you to be friend. First, be nice and talkly, like be patient. Samba, sabihin mo, hey, you want to be my friend? That's why I do with my kaklase Mara. He's my best friend because he is my BFF. That means best friends. That's right. Do it. To be your friend. I want to be your friend. Wherever you are, let's go to be friends. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you love my singing because my video is hit 1 subscriber because that's me. Only 1 subscriber, 1 subscriber. Check my profile. Type KDA Reboot. CADY space A space LIVUT. KDA Reboot. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!